Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video is a collaboration with the FUD brand. They sent me a box with a gift inside, of course. So let's open the box. That brings a card. Don't worry guys, all information about this brand will be down in my info box. And this is the gift, a cheese board with tools to cut cheeses, ham, bread, everything. So what do you think if we make a cheese board right now? So let's get started. I'm gonna use a piece of cheese, but you can use any cheese that you like, okay? And I'm gonna use some different hams. I have a little cup for honey. And also I have green grapes, but you can use any fruit that you want, guys. And I have bread, but you can use toast or pita chips. Guys, and right here we have our cheese table in few minutes. Very easy and simple. And this little piece of cheese is for my girl. Her name is Candy. She's my coton de Tuliar, and she's always be here with me in my recipes on Wednesdays, but she has her own videos on Saturdays. Stay tuned. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and share this video. See you next time. Bye bye.